How to change your token ID. So in this video, I will teach you how to change your token ID. Change your token ID right here. All you need to do is open up your token ID. So once you open up your token ID right here, next thing we need to do is click on the bottom right corner right there and profile right there. You'll select your profile right there and token. So all you need to do is press on the token right there. After pressing on the token right there, next thing we need to do right here is click on the three on like the ball pen right there on the top right corner. Press on with the ball pen, press on that right there. After pressing on that right there, next thing we need to do right here is will be located here. So token ID, modify once a year. So you're only allowed to modify your token ID once a year. So there. So now we're gonna think of a cool ID. Right here we're gonna put in maybe Clint Journal. Oh, Clint Journal. Yeah, but then click on A. Then save. Okay. Wait. Can change token ID within the year of submission. As you see right now, it is now warning us if we submit this or change it, we cannot change our token ID within a year. So all we need to do right now is click on rewrite. And after clicking on that, click on save on the top. There you go, can change, and then click on save right there. After pressing on save right there, now as you can see right now, once we click on that, we cannot be able to change because cannot modify now. So it's a 1 year. So I have to wait for 1 year for it to be allowed to be modified again. So yeah, there you guys, that's how I do it. I hope you guys the video was enjoyed. If you have any question or concerns, type the question below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible here on How to Rock It, guys. And thank you, guys.